How to make a cheesecake in 8 simple steps. To make the crust, we need 200 grams of digestive biscuits or biscuits of your choice, and 100 grams of melted butter. What we need to make the filling for our cheesecake. First, we will need 600 grams of cream cheese, making sure it is at room temperature so it mixes easily. Then we will add 150 grams of sugar to give it the perfect sweetness. We will also need 3 eggs, which will provide structure and consistency to the cheesecake. Additionally, we will add 200 milliliters of heavy cream to achieve a nice creamy filling. To enhance the flavor, we will use a teaspoon of vanilla extract, which will bring out all the flavors. And finally, if you want to add an extra touch of freshness, you can include the juice of half a lemon, which is optional but complements the flavor very well. With these ingredients, our cheesecake will turn out delicious. Now, we are going to prepare the crust for our cheesecake. First, we start by crushing the biscuits in a food processor until they are finely crushed. This will be the base component of our crust. Next, we will mix the crushed biscuits with melted butter. We need to ensure that the mixture is homogeneous so that it holds together when forming the crust. Once we have this mixture, we will press it into the bottom of a springform pan, which should have a diameter of about 23 centimeters. It is very important that the mixture is well compacted so that the crust maintains its shape while baking. And that's all we need for the crust. Ready to move on to the next step. Now, we preheat the oven to about 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we are going to prepare the filling for our cheesecake. First, in a large bowl, we will beat the cream cheese until it is smooth and creamy. It's essential that there are no lumps to achieve the perfect texture. Next, we will add the sugar and mix well until it is fully incorporated into the mixture. Then we will incorporate the eggs one at a time, making sure to beat well after each addition. This will help the filling have a good consistency. After that, we will add the heavy cream, vanilla extract, and the lemon juice if you choose to use it. We will mix until all the ingredients are well combined and the mixture is smooth. And that's it. We have our filling ready for the cheesecake. Let's move on to the next step. Now it's time to assemble our cheesecake. We are going to pour the cheese mixture that we prepared earlier over the crust we made. Make sure to spread the mixture evenly over the crust using a spatula if necessary to smooth the surface. This will help it cook evenly and will make for a more appealing look in the end. All set. Now that we have the cheese mixture on the crust, we are ready to bake our cheesecake. Now we are going to bake our cheesecake. We need to place the pan in the preheated oven and bake for 45 to 50 minutes or until the center is nearly set. It's normal for the center to still jiggle slightly when you take it out of the oven, but don't worry, it will firm up as it cools. It's important not to overbake it, as we want it to remain creamy and smooth. So let's wait and see how it cooks. Once the baking time is up, we will turn off the oven and leave the cheesecake inside with the door slightly ajar for about 1 hour. This helps to prevent cracking on the surface. After that, we will carefully remove the cheesecake from the oven and let it cool at room temperature. Once it has cooled down, we will refrigerate it for at least 4 hours, but for the best results, it's preferable to let it chill overnight. This allows the flavors to develop and the texture to set perfectly. And that's it for the cooling process. Before serving, you can add fruit jam or fresh fruits on top for decoration. This not only enhances the presentation, but also adds a delicious flavor that complements the cheesecake perfectly. Feel free to get creative with the toppings. Berries, cherries, or any fruit you love will work beautifully. And there you have it, a beautiful and delicious cheesecake ready to be enjoyed. Now it's time to serve our cheesecake. First, we will remove the sides of the springform pan carefully to release the cheesecake. Then we can cut the cheesecake into slices. And there you have it, your delicious cheesecake is ready to be enjoyed. Dig in and savor every bite. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and that you're inspired to try it at home. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our delicious recipes. Let me know in the comments how your dish turned out and if you have any suggestions for future videos. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for cooking with me, and see you next time. Enjoy your meal.